Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. In this video, we're going to obtain the Maclaurin's expansion of log of 1 plus e power x as far as the fourth degree terms. Okay, so here we have the Maclaurin's expansion. Y of x is equals to y of 0 plus x y1 of 0. As it has given fourth degree of term, so we'll simply expand it till fourth degree. So x square by 2 factorial y2 of 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial y3 of 0 plus x to the power 4 divided by 4 factorial y4 of 0 plus so on. Correct? So let us consider y is equals to log of 1 plus e power x. Okay, this is 1 plus e power x. Now, in order to find all these terms, first we have to find y of 0. So we will find y of 0 is equals to log of 1 plus e power 0, which is log of 2. E power 0 is 1, right? Anything to the power 0 is 1. So this becomes log 2. So this is nothing but log to the base e 2. Now I will just write it. Okay, so now I have to find y1. So differentiation of this, it is going to be 1 by 1 plus e power x, and now differentiation of this, it is going to be e power x. Okay, so y1 of 0, it is going to be e power 0 divided by 1 plus e power 0, which is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus 1, which is equals to 1 divided by 2. Okay, so in order to simplify the differentiation, I will do the cross multiplication here. So it becomes y1 of 1 plus e power x is equals to e power x. Now I will differentiate this again to find y2. So y1 I'll keep it as it is, differentiate this. So differentiating this, it will become 0 plus e power x is e power x only. Differentiation of e power x is e power x only. And if you differentiate x again, it is like 1 plus, keep this as it is, 1 plus e power x. Now differentiate y1, so it becomes y2. Okay, is equals to e power x is e power x only. Now this is nothing but y1 e power x plus this becomes y2 plus y2, let me keep it as it is. Okay, 1 plus e power x, because I simply have to find y2, right, equals to e power x. So here I will substitute all the values of with respect to 0, so that I can get y2 of 0. What is y1 of 0? It is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into e power 0. This is going to be 1. Okay. y2 of 0 I still have to find into 1 plus e power 0 is equals to e power 0. Now this is 1. So this is simply 1 by 2 plus y2 of 0, this becomes 1 plus 1, 2. So I'll just write 2 y2 of 0 is equals to 1. Correct? Now 2 y2 of 0 is equals to 1 minus 1 by 2. I'm just taking this to the other side. Okay, which is 2 y2 of 0 is equals to 1 by 2. And if I multiply this, if I set this to the other side, what it becomes, y2 of 0 is equals to 1 divided by 4. Done. Now we have to find y3 of 0. So first we will differentiate this again, this equation again. So if you differentiate this again, it becomes y1, I will keep it as it is, I will differentiate e power x. Now I will keep e power x as it is, I differentiate y1 plus, I'll keep y2 as it is, differentiate 1 1 plus e power x, so it becomes e power x only, plus I will keep 1 plus e power x as it is, differentiate y2, so it becomes y3 is equals to e power x. Okay, now I will simply substitute the values. y1 of 0 is 1 by 2 e power 0 plus e power 0, y2 of 0 is 1 by 4. So I'll just write it like this. Plus y2 of 0 is 1 by 4 into e power 0 plus 1 plus e power 0 y3 of 0, and this is e power 0. So this is 1, this is 1, so this is 1, so all this is going to be like, okay, and this is going to be 2y3 of 0, 1 plus 1 2, which is equals to 1. Now quarter and quarter is half, right? Half, so half plus half is 1, so 1 plus 2y3 of 0 is equals to 1. So 2y3 of 0 is equals to 1 minus 1, which is nothing but y3 of 0 is equals to 0 by 2. Hence y3 of 0 is equals to 0. I hope this is clear. Now we have to find y4 of 0, right? So we will differentiate this again with respect to x. Keep y1 as it is, differentiate e power x. Now keep e power x as it is, differentiate y1. Plus same here. Keep this as it is, differentiate this. Now keep uh, keep this as it is, differentiate this. And now keep this as it is, differentiate this. Plus same here. This is actually 2y2 we could have taken, but it's fine. Y2 as it is, differentiate this, y3 plus here 1 plus e power x y3. uh, so this I have kept as it is, I'm differentiating this, plus y3 e power x is equals to e power x. This time we will simplify this, okay? y2 1 2 3, 3 y2's we have, right? 3 e power x y2. So I will just write it. Y2 it is. So 3 e power x y2 plus this is e power x y1. Just in order I am writing, in order. Okay. Plus 1, 2, 3. So 3 e power x y3. Correct? Plus this I have is 1 plus e power x y4, which is equals to e power x. Now I'll just substitute everything. So substitute x is equals to 0. So I'm finding y4 of 0. So it becomes 1 plus e power 0 y4 of 0 plus 3 e power 0. y3 of 0 is what? y3 of 0 is 0. So this term becomes 0 plus 3 e power 0. y2 of 0 is 1 by 4 plus e power 0. This is plus e power 0. y1 of 0 is 1 by 2 is equals to e power 0. Now this becomes 2y4 of 0 plus 3 by 4. This becomes 3 by 4 plus this becomes 1 by 2 is equals to 1. Now you can see 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. This is nothing but, we will do the cross multiplication. Okay, so it becomes like 3 plus 2 divided by 4, okay, which is equals to 1. Now 2 y4 of 0 plus 5 by 4 is equals to 1. I'll just take this to the other side. So it becomes 2y4 of 0 is equals to 1 minus 5 by 4. So it is nothing but 4 minus 5 by 4, which is equals to 1 minus 1 by 4. Correct? So 2y4 of 0 is equals to minus 1 by 4, which can be written as y4 of 0 is equals to minus 1 by 8. This is done. Now, by substituting these values in the expansion, okay, expansion of y of x, we get, what is y of x? Log of 1 plus e power x equal to y of 0. What is y of 0? Y of 0, if you remember, it is log to the base e of 2 plus, what is x? Y1 of 0. X is x, y1 of 0 is 1 by 2, so x by 2 plus x square by 2 factorial y2 of 0. So x square by 2 factorial is 2 itself, and what is y2 of 0? Y2 of 0 is 1 by 4, so it is going to be 8 plus x cube. So x cube will get cancelled out because y3 of 0 is 0. So if you multiply anything with 0, it becomes 0 only. Right? Now y4 of 0, it is minus 1 by 8. So I can write it as x to the power 4 divided by 4 factorial. It is nothing but 24 into minus 1 by 8. Now this can be written as log of 1 plus e power x is equals to log to the base e of 2 plus x by 2 plus x square by 8 minus x to the power 4 divided by 24. 8 times is what? 192. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to support me, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends as much as possible so that if I get more subscribers, I can, post more videos.